Welcome to the Beginner Word 2007 Tutorials, Session 1.1, Introduction to Word 2007. Word 2007 is a program used for all of your word processing needs. You can do many things in Word. You can create anything from typing a simple letter to creating reports with a table of contents, citations, and index, to making a decorative greeting card, and so much more. Let's start by opening Word 2007. There are several ways you can do this. I'm going to go to the Start menu, select All Programs, and scroll down to Microsoft Office and select Word 2007. If you've used other versions of Word, I'm sure Word 2007 is a bit of a puzzle to you. Microsoft made a lot of changes to this version. There is now one basic menu, a quick access bar, and tabs for you to navigate through all the options. The Beginner Word 2007 video tutorial series will take you through the very basics of Word 2007. In Section 1, looking at Word 2007, we'll go over all of the tabs and how to navigate through them, and the working screen. 1.2. Examining the working screen. The working screen in Word 2007 is what you see when you open the program. We will go top to bottom. At the very top of the screen is the title bar. The title bar displays your document's name. Next is the quick access bar. This is a tool bar you can customize with tools you use most often. Click the down arrow to see all of the options. The selections with the check marks are the ones that will be displayed in your quick access bar. Simply click the selection to add or delete it from the toolbar. At the upper left corner is the Office button. This gives you many of the same options as the quick access bar. Moving on down is a ribbon of tabs with the features of Word 2007. All of the tabs are arranged in a task-oriented manner. There's no more navigating through menus to find options. Each tab is divided into sections so you can easily find what you are looking for. For example, the Home tab has the clipboard, font, paragraphs, and styles. Click through each tab just to get an idea of what each one will provide to you. Under the ribbon tab sections to the left is the Tab Settings button. If you do not have this available, click on the far right View Ruler button to display your tab options. To use this button, click on it until you have the style of tab that you would like, and then simply click on the ruler to set the tab. Moving across the screen to the right is the ruler. The blue section of the ruler tells you how large of a margin you have. The white section is the width of your document. I will cover more ruler features such as adding tabs, indents, and changing margins in the Intermediate Word 2007 tutorials. Across the screen to the far right is a button that will show and hide the rulers. Below the ruler is a scroll bar used to navigate up and down through your document. At the far bottom of Word 2007 is a status bar. The status bar tells you where you are in your document, how many words you have. The next button is your proofing errors. Click on this button when you see a red X and it will take you through the document to find all of your proofreading errors. The next button is to record macros. You may or may not have this button depending on the features enabled for your Word 2000 program. Moving across the bottom of Word, you will see buttons to display your Word documents in different views. The first button is the print layout. The next button is the full reading view. Following that is the web layout, outline, and draft. The last part of the working screen is the zoom level. I have my document set to 100%. If you click on the 100%, a window comes up with all of the zoom options. Click OK to close the window. Next to the 100% is also your zoom level. You can use the minus or plus button to change the zoom level, or use the slider bar back and forth to change the view. That concludes 1.1 and 1.2 of the Word 2007 beginner tutorials.